Hey everyone, CryptoTuber welcome you again. In last video I told you about RoyalQ installation, and in today's video we will discuss about Binance app installation and its registration process. Watch this video till end and don't skip any step because each and every step is very important. Open Play Store and search Binance and you will see this type of icon and just install it. Once you install it, select your country and open registration page. You can do your registration through email ID or phone number. After this, set a strong password and make sure to keep one capital letter in your password. Now enter a referral ID. You can see a referral ID on the screen. If you want, you can do registration by your mobile phone also. Before that, you have to select your country code and then you can put your phone number on that. Now simply click on yellow arrow button. After this, you will get an easy puzzle to solve. Just drag the picture and match both of them. After this, you will receive verification code on your email ID or your phone number, whatever you have selected for registration. Put that code and then you have to answer few questions like which kind of fiat currency you will be using to buy crypto, have you ever bought cryptocurrency or not. You have to select your payment currency also, like I have selected Indian rupees here. Now just complete your verification and click on verify account. You will get this kind of interface. You can see on the right top your nation's flag or symbol, and then you have to select on start now, which is at the bottom. You can see the yellow button at the bottom of this page. On this page you have to give your full name and date of birth. Make sure to give name and date of birth exactly same as the documents which you are going to submit for verification on Binance app. And after this you have to put your residential address, your PIN code, your city and PAN card number. Make sure to fill all the details correctly. Just be patient while filling all the details. Once you fill all the details, just check once whether you have filled the details correctly or not. After filling PAN card number, just click on continue button, which is at the bottom of this page. It's in yellow color, you can see. Once you continue it, you will get next page where you have to upload valid government issued document. This can be your passport, your driving license, etc. Now just click on camera icon and allow Binance to take picture and then upload the front page of the document and then after the back page of the document consecutively. Once it gets uploaded, the next part is your face verification, which is really very important. Face verification is the main part of Binance verification. For this you have to take a selfie. Click on continue button. For face verification, you have to take care of few things like avoid wearing hats, glasses, using filters and having enough light. Now you will see some instructions on your screen like move further away from the camera, open your mouth, close your mouth. You just need to follow these instructions which are given on the screen. Sometimes your verification may get failed, like here my verification has failed. You just need to try it again. But due to some bug, it shows you failed. Once you reopen your Binance, it will be verified. Now on the home page, you can see at the top left corner an icon of a man. Click on that icon. There is beginner's guide, where you have to disable Binance Lite to enable professional Binance. Now just click on security and complete email authentication and SMS authentication. For that, put your phone number or email ID and a code will be sent on your number or email ID which you have put. Now put that code here and your verification will get completed. You will get this kind of blue tick and verified will be written on the right top. This way, installation and registration of Binance app is completed now. In my next video, I will be telling you about P2P buying and API management. If you want to learn about RoyalQ installation, you can watch this video. Till then, bye-bye and make yourself happy.